name's Issac Coy. I'm the owner of Pure Air Land Management Company with my brother Zach.
We'll look at land and try to convert it back to its natural state, whatever means necessary. Today we're conducting prescribed fire.
Here in North Missouri, we have a lot of native tallgrass prairie, and those ecosystems depend on fire. Quite a few reasons why we burn.
Burning creates habitat for animals, brings them food that they may not find whenever it's overgrown.
Managing invasive species, promoting a lot of other native species are already here.
Prevention of more major fires to get established in an area.
We're basically burning down to bare soil, and that growing season following, you'll see a lot showier prairies and more wildlife using them.
In about 2 weeks, this will be really green. Basically, nature recreates itself.
Typical day on Wildland Fire will consist of some sort of early wake up, making sure that gear's up and ready, torches filled.
And then we will brief the crew.
Who's doing what, who's operating what, and then we'll get out and see the lay of the land ourselves. So the conditions that we work in are pretty rough. Hiking around, carrying drip torches. So our gear needs to be well equipped and ready to move with our bodies.
These shirts are made of Nomex, keeps the heat off of you.
Larger pockets on the side, being able to carry your IEPs or radios that we use to communicate rather than sending hollers from ridgeline to ridgeline.
I never head out into the field without my overcoat. I really like the adjustable cuffs on the sleeves and the neck as well. You know, the pants are very lightweight and breathable. You're able to keep them tight around your ankles, which is nice. You don't have smoke going up into your pant leg. This gear holds up very well.
One of my favorite pieces of gear from Proper would be the neck and face shroud that I wear on my hard hat. We can get close to the heat and do what needs done without having to worry about synthetic materials melting to our skin or dealing with any other types of injury.
What I love most about doing this is we get to see something else pretty well every day. It doesn't matter how many times you do it, there's always something different that's going to change.
We are committed to improving habitat.
You can do a lot more whenever you're wearing high quality garments.